Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. Here we are on Tuesday night. We're going to start off tonight with a cool picture. This comes to us from Mary Gibbons. We're just south, underneath the rims there. I think it was Myers Trail or something like that. Anyway, that's a cool looking shot there, and thanks for sending that in, Mary. Take a look at this. Wonders where all the big snowflakes were? Well, Rip Cook lives over there by Columbus, and you see, he found it in his backyard. Look at the snowflakes here. What is this, a moose? It kind of looks like a big old moose there. Anyway, let's move on and show you what's happening here in Billings. Right now, as you can see, looks like we got some cloudy skies, a few holes in the clouds, but at the moment, we do have mostly cloudy skies, 32 degrees. About a half hour ago, we had scattered snow showers falling in here. Winds are out of the northeast at about 3 miles per hour. And as you'll see here, our high temp today topped out at 49. The normal high is 51, so we're pretty close to that. And the record was 78 back in 1993. Record low is 12 below zero back in 1955. And when it comes to precipitation, we've measured 0.09 of an inch of rain and snow so far. It takes us 64 hundredths for the month. We're playing catch up. And then for the year, we're at 148, need to be at 171. So we're playing a little catch up in that department as well. But right now, around the rest of the state, temps are mostly into the 30s and 40s out in the west. Look at Helena, 41 right now. Across the High Line, still into the 20s. 30 over at Lewistown. You see generally 30s back here in eastern Montana. The hot spot, though, in the region, that has to go down to Worland, Wyoming. They are at 44 degrees right now. Sheridan coming in right around 39 degrees. As we move on, these are reported highs today. Look at Worland. They actually got up to 63. It was 60 at Helena today. Elsewhere, you see a lot of 30s, 40s, and a lot of 50s back here in northeastern Montana. And you see 43 over at Missoula. You see 55 in Miles City. Jordan about 55. Glendale very comfortable, 51 degrees there today. It wasn't bad, huh? Meanwhile, you'll notice we do have this with those little warm temperatures. Now tonight, we have a winter weather advisory moving across much of south central Montana. This highlighted in the purple, looking for 2 to 4 inches of snow until about 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. And around the crazy mountains right through here, we're looking at a winter storm warning, maybe 6 to 9 inches of snow there in parts of Wheatland County and also in Sweetgrass County there. So looking at some heavy snow in those regions. Meanwhile, you'll notice that's what's happening. Doppler radar showing the moisture following the jet stream right along in towards the Billings area, and that's where we had some scattered snow showers. Snow continues to push its way in towards the east as the night goes on, but it looks like most of the snow is in the process of kind of winding down for a little bit. But we have another batch of moisture moving in. Once this big, giant dip in the jet stream, we call it a trough, that's going to start moving in towards the Great Basin area. That's this area here. That'll continue to send more moisture into our area the next 24 hours or so. So here's what we had. Had a cold front move through earlier today. Tonight, here comes another cold front dropping down from the north. It is bringing some cooler temperatures, scattered snow showers throughout much of the night, and more snow showers across western Montana on Wednesday. But by the time Thursday gets here, we're looking at mostly sunny skies moving in. All the snow continues to move away from us. So how much snow are we talking about? Maybe 1 to 2 inches for Billings, 2 to 4 inches over in Livingston and Bozeman. But for tonight, we're looking at temps cooling down to the 20s, some 30s, scattered rain and snow showers around the region, mostly snow for us now. Then for tomorrow, we get right back up into the 40s in most cases, maybe 31 at Red Lodge, 37 at Livingston, but I'll probably see a little rain mixing with snow in the morning, off and on throughout the day. Tonight, 30 degrees with another 90% chance for some scattered snow showers the next 7 days. 44 degrees on Wednesday with a good chance for rain and snow. Then after that, sunny skies all the way through into the weekend and on into next week, and temperatures getting into the 60s as well. Let's go back to Russ.